everyone, Scott Smith here with Aspen Avionics, coming to you out of 11,100 in a descent. I wanted to go over just a basic overview of our MFDs, and we have two flavors, the 500 MFD and the 1000 MFD. The difference between a 500 and a 1000 is the 1000 MFD has backup AHRs built into it, and the 500 does not. Just to show you how simple they are to operate, if you turn this left-hand knob, it gives you the different pages. We can go full screen, split screen, and thumbnails. Okay. Turn the right-hand knob, you can decide what you want to put in the window. So we have whatever options are available. In this case, we're going nav map, terrain, traffic, approach plates, your weather, and synthetic vision. If you're in a split screen mode, you're controlling whatever the magenta line is highlighting. So if I push in on the lower right hand knob, it's going to move that box around, and I can change and control whatever that magenta box is highlighting. Like so. I'm going to come over to the thumbnail page, and again, same thing. I'm pushing in on the lower right hand knob, and it cycles through the different windows. And also notice that soft keys change as well and allow you to control what's inside that box. So pretty simple to operate and easy to grab information. And I use different layouts for different phases of flight. Everybody's a little bit different. You can range in, and range out. I'm just pushing a plus and the minus over here on the range key. If I hold in on it, it's going to come all the way out to 2,000 miles. And if I let off and push on it one more time and hold it, it's going to go to auto zoom, where it's automatically going to keep my next active waypoint in the top part of the screen. We can go through again with the options here on the soft keys. I go VFR, IFR, 360, R, and I can declutter the map. Push it on the soft key, there says map, and you'll notice right here, as the bars go through, the 4 different levels of declutter, right there. And the A beside the 500 there is indicating that it's in auto zoom mode. Thanks for joining me today. Again, Scott Smith with Aspen Avionics. If you have any more questions, please visit our website. Reach out to us, give us a call. We'd love to chat with you. Have a great day.